for today's video I'm going to make 3 smoothies. A red one, a green one and a yellow one. Today it's like over 30 degrees Celsius, so I wanted to make something refreshing. I've already done my groceries and they're all packed up in the kitchen, so let's go. First I'm going to make the yellow smoothie. Here are all the ingredients. First we are adding the banana. Just 1 banana is enough. Then the pineapple. Then the mango. Some sunflower seeds, some broken linseeds. A few leaves of mint. 1 glass of yogurt. Any yogurt is possible. 1 orange is enough. I'm just adding the oranges in pieces. Pour it into a glass, add a straw, and you're done. First adding a banana, 1 is enough. Second, the 2 oranges already chopped in pieces. Adding the red berries, this could be all berries like strawberries, blackberries, blueberries. Sunflower seeds. Some broken linseeds, to your own preference. Adding some water to mix it better. And ending it off with some yogurt. 1 glass is enough. And let's blend. Pour it into a glass and we're done. Adding a straw. Again, adding a banana. 2 oranges also chopped in pieces. Some avocado, a half. And a handful of spinach. Sunflower seeds, broken linseeds. I love them. And again, a glass full of yogurt.